Someone had to come back for it, even after all this time buried in decay. Every crack tells a story. Years of exposure, pressure, and silent deterioration etched into the metal. Up close, the damage runs deeper than anyone expected.
It's too far gone to move by hand. Time to bring in the heavy machinery.
To lift something this heavy, precision and power have to work together. After years trapped beneath the weight of decay, it finally begins to rise again.
Step 1 complete. Now it's time to move what's left of it to where real work begins.
Leaving behind the graveyard of metal, the journey toward restoration finally begins.
From ruin to possibility. If you count it, this is where the real transformation begins.
Carefully now, every movement counts as it enters the place where it might finally be saved. With enough pressure, even the toughest layers of grime start to break away. The first rinse begins, washing away years of dust to reveal what still remains underneath.
Even the parts no one sees need to be completely restored from the ground up.
Clearing every hidden gap. Because even the smallest detail matters in a full restoration. Now the deep cleaning begins, breaking down what years of neglect have built up.
Scrubbing away the damage. One rotation at a time, revealing what's still worth saving.
Watch closely. Every drop carries away a piece of the past.
Every inch tells a different story, and every flaw needs a solution before this can be rebuilt.
This isn't just surface damage. Entire sections have been eaten away over time.
Even the slightest pressure, and it starts to fall apart.
This is where the real work begins, stripping away years of corrosion, layer by layer.
Rebuilding the foundation, because everything above depends on what's underneath. Reconnecting the foundation, where strength meets motion once again.
Stability comes next, every component working together to carry the weight forward.
This is the heart of the machine, and it has to be placed with absolute precision.
As the heat fades, what's left behind is strength, sealed into place.
Every new piece has to fit perfectly, because this is where the rebuild truly begins.
Fusing new strength into old metal. And this is where the structure begins to come back together. Now the real force comes in, cutting through years of corrosion to reach solid metal again.
Final corrections, refining every surface until nothing imperfect remains.
From decay to structure, and the original form is finally starting to return, clearing away the final traces, leaving nothing behind before the next step begins. Now everything is brought into balance, preparing the surface for a flawless finish.
Now fully prepared, it's ready for the transformation that will bring it back to life.
The first layer goes on, bringing color back to something that lost it long ago.
With the second coat, the color gains depth, and the transformation becomes undeniable.
Detailing defines the finish, shaping light and shadow to bring the form to life.
Sealing it all in, locking the color beneath a flawless, glass-like finish.
Now the details emerge, defining the character with precision and contrast.
Now the details emerge,
defining the character with precision and contrast.
Now the finish sets, hardened under heat to lock in every detail.
Perfection is in the details. Even the smallest spaces are brought back to life.
Watch it settle, transforming raw metal into something smooth, deep, and alive with color. Polishing it to perfection, enhancing every reflection until it becomes flawless.
Everything is set, and now comes the moment where it finally begins to look alive again.
Every internal system has to be rebuilt, restoring the flow that once powered everything. Every system connected, bringing the machine closer to full operation. Every connection has a purpose, and every wire must be placed exactly where it belongs. Piece by piece, everything comes together exactly as it was meant to be. Clarity restored, every piece fitting together exactly as it should. Locking everything into place, one connection at a time, building strength back into the system. The heart awakens, bringing energy back into every part of the machine.
Restoring the shine, bringing precision and balance back to every moving part.
Reducing friction, ensuring every movement stays smooth and controlled. Testing the motion, ensuring every rotation is perfectly aligned.
Bringing out the shine, turning raw metal into a perfect mirror of its surroundings.
Every marking matters, defining the identity of what's been rebuilt.
Lights on, a signal that this machine is coming back to life. With each pass, the true surface begins to come back to life.
Pressure released, a quiet sign that everything is working as it should.
Fully cured. Every layer now locked into a flawless, mirror-like finish. Fully detailed, now it stands ready for its final assembly and return to motion. And just like that, it moves again, as if it was never lost to time. The doors open, and a new chapter begins in the light of day. Back into the world, fully restored and ready to move forward once again. From ruin to revival, a complete transformation, captured in every detail.
From forgotten scrap to standing strong once again in the open world. In every reflection, the journey from rust to perfection is preserved forever.
From forgotten metal to something unforgettable, the journey is complete. Bringing back the face, restoring the character that makes it truly recognizable.
This is more than restoration. It's a complete rebirth, captured in every flawless detail.
What was once lost now lives on, restored beyond time. Restored to perfection. A forgotten legend brought back to life. Every story leaves a mark, and this one shines forever. Stripped down to its core, this is where strength is rebuilt from the inside out.
Refinement comes next, smoothing every imperfection into a clean, workable surface.